New York is taking steps to try to protect doctors who prescribe abortion medications after a doctor in the state was indicted by a grand jury in Louisiana for allegedly prescribing abortion pills online. Joining me now in Studio 57 is Weekend Evening News anchor and CBS News national correspondent Jericka Duncan. Jericka, this could be the first direct test of New York's shield laws, right? What is the governor saying and doing?
It absolutely is, Lindsay. And in fact, today the governor signed a law saying that it will enable physicians who prescribe abortion medications to request the pharmacy only print the name of the practice instead of the personal name. So this has to do with Dr. Margaret Carpenter. She is the person at the crux of this litigation in which she was indicted on charges of criminal abortion by means of abortion-inducing drugs. And essentially, Louisiana, the attorney general there, Liz Morrell, is saying that it's illegal to send abortion pills into the state and that it's illegal, in her words, to coerce another into having an abortion. So since Roe v. Wade was overturned, as you know, in 2022, Louisiana has had some of the strictest abortion laws to date. But this is a case where you have a mother that reached out to this pharmacy. The pharmacy, well, not the pharmacy, but the practice provided the drugs. What's very interesting, you might ask, is, well, how did we even know that this happened? The young girl, a minor, experienced a medical emergency, had to go to the hospital. And then, of course, more information is revealed about where she got this drug and what she took to try to have this medically induced abortion. So a lot is at play here. Now you see Governor Hochul trying to better protect physicians. But even when you think of it in the context of a practice, what if you're just one person or there's two people?
Right, it wouldn't be too hard to find
exactly.
the doctors in a practice.
And when you have a state like Louisiana that's very clear about where they stand on this, this is something, when I spoke to CBS News legal analyst Ricky Kleeman, that will still have to continue to be worked out because there's so much that we just don't know because we haven't seen this before. The same doctor was charged civilly in Texas months ago, but this is the first time that we've seen a criminal case and a warrant out for her arrest.
Do we know if any precedent could be set by this type of a case? What are you hearing from experts?
I think that's exactly what Ricky Kleeman, like I said, was getting at in terms of testing the limits. And what does this state do? And what do other states do who are looking to send a message that if this is a state in which we have deemed abortion is illegal, you cannot have prescription drugs, even though they're FDA approved, coming across state lines and being used for that specific way. So much at play here and very, very hotly debated issue. But again, seeing the steps that the governor took today in terms of enabling physicians who prescribe those medications to leave their name off of the prescription is just one way that she is trying to protect doctors here. Even saying recently, in terms of an extradition agreement, she said she would never, ever sign that so that that doctor could be extradited to face those charges. But something else that Ricky brought up that was interesting is now you have somebody that might travel and you wonder how safe she is going to another state. She's protected here in New York, but how does that create her opportunity to move and flow if there's a warrant out for her arrest?
A lot of questions here. Jericka Duncan, thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you.